Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I would like to share about how to make this cool modern outdoor bench. You first of all have to make a basic shape like this. You can use a rotated rectangle, and you can set the value is around 500 millimeter, and the length of the bench is around 1200 millimeter, something like this. And you have to you have to push it up for the thickness of this board. It's around 50 or 60 millimeter, and after that you have to move it up it until it's around 350 millimeter. Okay, then you have to offset this board object with the depth is around 3 millimeter of the frame depth, and you have to delete unnecessary object with a push and pull tool like this. Okay, after that you have to make some stick. You have to make some stick of the bench like this. You have to push it up. You have to push it up until it's around 50 millimeter, right? Then you can make a movement. You have to move it down like this, approximately like this, and just push it in front of push it to the front, and just push it to the front like it is. It's around 10 millimeter only. Okay, something like this. Then you have to make it component and just create it, and please move and press control to duplicate it, and just click on F end of the position, and just type the count is around 50 and slash, and just press enter, or it's too crowded, but you have to repeat it again and with a previous method, something like this, and just I'm sorry, you have to repeat it again and with the previous method, and you can type 25 slash and press enter, so you can see the result. It will be arranged automatically, and it would be a perfect arrangement when you type from this previous method I told you just now. Then you have to make a support of the frame, something like this. Maybe you can see it. You can see the detail. Okay, you have to make it and just push it down until to the ground like this. And don't forget to make a group and make it component. And just create it and place, duplicate it, something like this, and press move and press control and finish it. Okay, then you have to make another support of this frame to make it more stiff as a bench structure. You have to make some bracing support right here from the bottom of the bench. Okay, and just make it group. And after that, all you have to make maybe you have to make a support in this area to make it more strong, to make it more stiff. Okay, something like this. And after it after you finish it all, you have to make it group, and just make a group and just select a material as you want, or as representative as possible anyway. And so you can choose a wood veneer like this, and it's done. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you get a lot of benefit from my video from in this episode, and wait for my next videos. Thank you.